Peace and love, family. Welcome to the second update for this RV, or as we like to call them, Boosie. So, a lot is happening since my first video, but I'm just going to tap back in and let y'all know the project is still moving forward. We got a lot of work to do, you feel me? But we got a lot done. I've actually ended up living in this RV for a little bit. I'm not anymore. But now we're just in here cleaning it up right now, getting it ready to complete the renovations. It's almost done. A lot of work has been done. It's looking real beautiful. But we still got some things to do. So yeah, let me take you through the little walkthrough. Follow me. Let's grow. Alright, we're getting it in. First thing I want you to notice the floor. You may have noticed that before. Yeah, look at the kitchen. The kitchen is completely redone. New kitchen wallpaper. New color, everything. Took out the closet doors, still work in progress. Still got some work to do on the bedroom floor and a little bit of damage control on the ceiling. Now look at the bathroom. Bathroom is turning out nice. New sink, new shower, new wallpaper. It's just a flow. It's a vibe.